How to send money using Bank of the West app. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to see how you can do that. So the first thing you want to know is you basically have to know that BMO has officially acquired Bank of the West. So if you were a Bank of the West consumer, you will now be doing everything through BMO. First, head over to bmo.com or the BMO application mobile banking and log into your account using your username and password. Once signed in, you can find the transfer money option at the home screen, and once you tap on it, you'll have different options here. In order to make transfers, you can just pay someone with Zelle or make internal bank transfers as well. First off, select the amount that you want to send. Once you selected your amount, tap on From Account. So just go ahead and select which account you want to send from. Select any one of your account, whether it's check-in or savings account. And on the To Account section, make sure you select the recipient's account. Then you could also select your transfer date. Once that is done, tap on this Done button. You could also select how often you want to send them this or schedule a payment. You could add a short memo if you want. Now just tap on Continue. You'll find the overview of the transaction, and then you could just go ahead and make transfer once everything looks good. Once that is done, your transaction should be successful and you're good to go. That's basically it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and I'll see you guys on the next one.